Hello everybody, Bird Reviews here, and today I'm gonna review the new remake for Aladdin. This new Aladdin movie takes us back to the Kingdom of Agrabah, where we revisit these beloved characters. The difference now is we get new songs, big CG, and a little bit of representation. Particularly, my fellow birds now taking over the action over the giant snake. It's a fine addition to these live-action remakes, if also too unnecessary. Many moments were contrived and doesn't work at all, but there's delight to be found from the charisma of Will Smith and some CG to be frightened at. Some may not fancy about Genie having a love interest, or Jafar being needlessly young. I expected a more Johnny Quid approach given that this is a Guy Ritchie movie. The actor isn't all that bad, but the performance doesn't quite match the Jafar that made him so iconic. He could have worked in some other role, but Jafar is supposed to be deliciously threatening, and while this guy has the subtle suave, it's not Jafar, let's face it kids. It's fun for the whole family, though I prefer the original for its authenticity towards its whimsy, while this film at times feels embarrassed at that. Take example, the iconic A Whole New World sequence. It's way too dark to feel amazed by its new world. Like they flew over somebody's backyard, or it might be a clever metaphor regarding how our new world today has become so dark than it used to back in '92. Yet we're still singing its praise while we drift through our future uncertain. A whole new world is dark, so is our world today, unfortunately. But if there's one thing to admire from this mess is to see my fellow parrot pallies taking over the screen, but I've already mentioned this before. At least he doesn't have to abuse an old man, keeping our species from having a bad name. So that's all folks, hope to see you all again as I review X-Men Dark Phoenix next time.